34 years old from Lawag City, Philippines. I have two daughters, 21 and 18 years old. I have 4-year experience here in Philippines as a babysitter for 4 years old and 5 months old. I have 6 years experience as a domestic helper in Singapore, specifically Indian family. My duties are cleaning the house, washing clothes and ironing, cooking and marketing. I am reliable and trustworthy when it comes to my work. I make sure that I cater the needs of my employers when it comes to my duties. I am responsible and I serve with utmost sincerity. I hope this video finds you well, Mom, Sir. Thank you and God bless.